everybody. Right back with another video. Say it like that. Get over there. Hey, don't move. Oh, yeah. You did it. You did it.
Got it. Yep. Hand off. Hand off. Around the back.
Don't hit my camera. Big-headed ass baby. Bunch of big-headed babies. Yeah. Let's see. Well, that's pretty.
Ain't gonna fly now, we just taking up space.
All the while we do it all. Everybody's got a pack anyways. Rawr. Good job, Liam. A lot of what? Oh yeah, I see him. The hopper's moving. There's a bunch of little ants in there. Liam, one bag, one box.
What's he got? Oh, you're talking my side.
One box, one bag. However you want to say.
Thank you.
It is what you have on the side.
Figure I'd give you the heads up.
Trying to be thoughtful for you.
No dog today? They got the puppy dog inside. Well, damn.
I said, maybe I'd say half time.
Ooh, that cold breeze feels good, dude. All these people ain't out? Sweet. That's cool. Later. Oh. Ow. Ooh, you got a little white thing. I'm not running. It is way too hot.
I got some hot. He's in track, bro. Let him run.
Oh yeah, it's good for him.
Get out of your system.
Yep. Sleep better at night.
Yep.
He's young.
You got a bunch of energy like you do.
I mean,
Wait.
the name of the road's Rush Street. So,
Don't rush on the street.
I was gonna say you do have to rush, but it's Rush Street.
Okay.
Well, we're not on Rush Street anymore.
Right. Now we're on Willow.
Well,
The Willow Way.
you gotta be will and love. Have a will. Year and a half.
Go ahead, Skip. We just walk them down. Here's my camera, motherfucker. Wow. Let's just keep it moving, huh?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, Dave.
Jumping on in. All right, Skip.
I got room for you.
Oh, shit. All right, guys, let's do this one. You guys do the next one. Well, I'll let it back first. Go ahead. Right, I did. Oh, go down.